Hi Year 6, so today we're going to be talking about this term adjacent angles and what this actually means. So as you can see here, I've got a little bit of a diagram with some lines that are crossing over. What I'm going to tell you now is that what we call adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are angles that are opposite each other. So over here, A, and over here, B, I'm going to call here C, I'm going to call here D. These angles here, what we call adjacent angles, are the angles that are opposite each other, and D and C are also adjacent angles. Now there's something that's actually quite peculiar about these types of angles. I'm going to get out my protractor and we're going to have a little look. I'm going to measure angle A in here and see what size that angle is. So like we did yesterday, I'm going to make sure that my crosshair is on that vertex there, directly on. I'm going to measure it. There, that angle there, I'm going to start measuring from here. 0, it is 130 degrees. Now what I'm also going to do is now I'm going to flip my page around. I'm going to measure angle B in here. My vertex goes directly onto there. It's in line, measuring it around. And that also goes up to 130 degrees. That is a relationship between adjacent angles. An adjacent angle is going to be the exact same as its opposite partner. So angle A here and angle B here are going to be the same angle. Same with angle D and angle C. Now if in this shape here, there's going to be a full revolution. So I know there that I've got 260 degrees because I go 130 plus 130. That is going to give me 260 degrees. That means that I've got 100 degrees left to make that a full revolution. So because I've got 2 there, I'm going to estimate that both these are going to be about a 50-degree angle because I've got 260 there. I need 100 left over, and because I can split it into 2 groups. But I'm going to measure it just to make sure. My crosshair goes directly there. It's on there. That angle there is 50 degrees. Flip it around to measure it. Crosshair goes onto the vertex. That angle there is also 50 degrees. That is the relationship when we're looking at adjacent angles. That these angles here will always be the same as each other if they're adjacent. Same as these ones over here. And if I've got a section like this, the total angles are going to create a revolution are going to equal 360 degrees. Hope this helps.